Hello, today we're going over the Google Cybersecurity Labs. This is Lab 1 and 2. Exemplar, install software and a Linux distribution. So all we're going to do is click Start Lab. And then we're going to confirm that we're not a robot. It's going to give us some type of puzzle to solve. Sometimes it gives us two. It just depends on the system. Once that's done, it should load up the virtual machine for Linux. Okay. If you see analyst with a $sign, then you're in. Click on anywhere to get rid of that. We're going to go to task 1. So ensure that APT is installed. All we're going to do is type in APT in the command line and then press enter. And then you should see all of this. Then we're going to check my progress. Okay, so now we're on task 2. Install and uninstall the Suricata application. So now we're going to go back into the command line and type in sudo space apt space install space Suricata and then press enter on your keyboard. And then it's going to process Suricata to be installed. And then do you want to continue? You need to type in Y for yes, press enter. Go down here. We could see that at the bottom we have a progression bar as it's installing Suricata into Linux. So once that's done, we're just going to type in Suricata in the command line and then type in enter. Now, if you see all of this, this is basically all the commands in Suricata. If you see this, that means Suricata is installed successfully. Next, we're going to remove Suricata in the command line. So go to the command line, type sudo apt remove Suricata, and then press enter. Now it's going to remove Suricata, and again, you want to continue, press Y for yes, press enter on the keyboard, and it's going to remove Suricata. Now in order for us to check, we're going to type in Suricata and press enter. No such file or directory. That means that Suricata has been uninstalled. Now we're going to check my progress. Now we can go to task 3, which is install the TCP dump application. Go to the command line and type in sudo apt install TCP dump and press enter. And then we can check my progress from there. Now task 4, list the installed applications. In order to list the installed application, go to the command line and type apt space list space minus installed. Let me move my cursor out of the way. Installed, and then press enter. Now what it's going to do, it's going to list all the applications that's installed. And if you want to see that TCP dump is installed, you can just go to the T and you'll see it right here. Now, task 5, reinstall the Suricata application. So basically, we're going to do what we did earlier, and we're going to go to the command line, type in sudo apt install Suricata, press enter. And again, it's going to go through the process. You're going to press Y for yes, and then it's going to process. And then in order for it to see if Suricata is installed, instead of typing Suricata, we're going to type in apt space list space dash installed. Press enter. And then I can check my progress. And in order for us to see if Suricata is installed, we can just go and look for it, Suricata, and then we can see that TCP dump is installed as well. And then that's going to be it for the lab, the conclusion. Then you can click end your lab, submit, and then you can write a review if you want to, or you can cancel. So that's going to be it for this episode. As always, I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you so much for watching.